guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's just see what I picked up today from Emmaus. Spent £7 in total, so I'm not going to individually price them, and I think you will be pleasantly surprised. Let's see what I've got. Switch this camera around and let's go. So first up in my box of treasures, it's this Grandad's Workshop 1000-piece puzzle from Michael Herring and the Gibson's company. Yeah, I will put on the sides of the side of this video the eBay prices sold, so you'll be able to see at the end of this video. That's that one. Picked up this Jan van Hasteren, good pronunciation, Dents. 1000-piece puzzle. It's like basically a zoo depiction, and looks like it's pretty tough. This rhino is clearly going to mow someone over in a minute. Yeah, that's that one. This deluxe Soduku game. Who is it made by? Sorry, need to find this out. Deviant Games. I did look on eBay during the thing, and I think it's something like £16 on average for those. Just that lot. Next we have these 4 anime Yukimiya books. I think on eBay they were £8 each, and I paid £2 for those ones. They look pretty brand new, so I'm happy with those ones. Next, this Wasgage 1000-piece puzzle. Airlines plain one, so cheapo air departures, which should be probably about 10. I think most of these are going to be average of £10 each. Monopoly edition, World edition. I haven't checked it all yet, just literally got home, but it looks in pretty good nick. Another 1000-piece puzzle from Ravensburger, so I'm hoping that will go for at least a tenner. Apparently it's a limited edition 21st. But yeah, let's see how that goes, shall we? And then this Monopoly Fortnight game. Again, I had a quick look inside, but you check everything is in there, which I'm sure it is. Yeah, this Baffler from Chris Yates. These were on eBay for about £16, so I think that's quite a decent pickup. Put that bag on. This another Wasgage puzzle, 300 pieces in a nice cool little cylinder box. And then finally, this Star Wars Risk game. It looks like there's a lot of pieces in there, so it could be all there. I just need to double check that. And that is everything I've got today. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you like the videos. For any future ones as well, hit that bell notification. Speak to you soon.